Hello viewers, this is Chandini with my friend Pratik. Welcome back to our channel Painting and Creativity Forever. Today we have come up with a video on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and not only we will pay a tribute to him but also we will learn how to make a diary entry as it is in the CBSE syllabus for classes 6 to 9. We hope you find this video helpful in learning diary entry in a better manner and also take up tips for presenting something special in school's morning assembly for the upcoming program on 23rd January. So, without delaying further time, let's roll it. Good morning, sir. Good morning, children. Today we will learn how to make diary entry. Diary entry? You mean keeping a diary like Annie Frank? Yes, Radha, we will learn it with its definition, rules and format. That's quite exciting, and once we will learn to make diary entry, we can have our own diary to share our thoughts in. Sure, so let us see what is diary entry. Diary writing is one of the most personal and informal kind of writing. It can be based on an experience, a scene, a description, or narration of certain event or any activity. It tests your imaginative, creative and expressive skills. You heard that, Shyam? You have to be imaginative, creative and very expressive. Yes, I can be creative, imaginative and expressive. Tell us, sir, what else we have to keep in our mind in order to expertise in diary entry? Next, you have to remember a few but very important points. Let's see what are those. An entry is always written in first person. Only matters of significance must be written down, not day-to-day experiences. Thereafter, track of time, day and place must be kept for a proper record. Remember, there is no specific time to write down the entries. The entries are always personal experiences which expresses one's own self. Last but not the least, a pet name can be given to the diary. That's a whole lot of things to remember. And then comes the format, which is essential to know for writing a diary. So let's see how it is done. First, we must start with the date and day, and it must be written on left hand side of the page. Then, leaving a line, the time of the entry must be provided. Next comes the salutation, where you can refer to your diary as Dear Diary or Hello Diary, or like Annie Frank's Kitty, you can also give a name to your diary. This also must be written by giving a lines gap. Thereafter, the most important is the content, which is divided into 3 parts. First, the introduction, then the middle paragraph, and at last, the conclusion. Here in the content, we express our thoughts and make the entry. At the end, we see the signature, and here we only write the name. That's quite easy to remember, sir. The only thing is that we must learn it and then make the entries whenever we want. Yes, and it will also help us to be creative and expressive. Good, both of you. Now, before the class ends, I will give you today's homework. You must make an entry using the format on a recent event that you have attended. Also, you can help each other in doing so. Thank you, class. I will check your homework tomorrow. Good day. Thank you, sir. Have a great day, sir. Are you busy, Shyam? If you don't mind, can we start with our homework? Why not, Radha? I'm super excited. Let's see, what did sir say? That we must write an entry on a recent event. I think I have an idea. Let us make an entry on PARAKRAM Divas, which we celebrated in school yesterday. The program was so inspiring. Also, we came to know so many rare things about Netaji. Let's begin. I will help you in writing. Let's go. The following is the entry done by Shyam, who is helped by his friend Radha. We already know that the topic chosen by them is the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. In the following entry, they have mentioned about the lesser known facts on Netaji. Also remember that you can take points from the facts given and prepare yourself for performing in your school on 23rd January. As per the format, they have started with the date, day, time and salutation. Dear Diary, one individual can die for an idea, but that idea will after his death incarnate itself in 1,000 lives. Well said by Bose, the unforgettable hero. How a nation wouldn't be proud on such a son of soil who possessed such elevated thoughts? Even as a mere citizen to my country, I feel honored that I got a chance to know such lesser known facts about him. I am feeling splendid to share with you that we celebrated PARAKRAM Divas, which is also marked as the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose in our school yesterday. The chief guest for the occasion was a retired army official, and the speech that he presented cast a spell on every individual present over there, inculcating the essence of patriotism within all. The legend is an idol for millions of people for his noble sacrifice and able leadership during freedom struggle of India. His unique vision for his nation is counted as an inspiration for us and for the generations to come. We should have but one desire today, the desire to die so that India may live. It is blood alone that can pay the price of freedom. Give me blood and I will give you freedom, electrified the whole nation to follow him with the hunger of freedom. His indestructible desire for freeing his nation was so magnified that the Britishers miserably failed in captivating him, even after imprisoning him for 11 times and keeping him under house arrest during the period from 1921 to 1941. Bose was born to affluent parents in Odisha in the year 1897. He was a pure nationalist as he dropped the final civil services examinations to join the fight for the freedom of his motherland. He even traveled to Germany seeking help for gaining liberty for his motherland. His ideologies quite differed from the tactics of the non-violence. Netaji believed that our duty is to pay for our liberty with our own blood. We shall win through sacrifice and exertion and preserve it with our strength. Life ceases to hold interest if there is no struggle, if there are no risks to be taken. On 6th July 1944, in a speech broadcast by the Azad Hind Radio from Singapore, Bose addressed Mahatma Gandhi as the father of the nation and asked for his blessings and good wishes for the war he was fighting. He said that as soldiers, we must always cherish and live up to the three ideals of faithfulness, duty, and sacrifice. If we want to be invincible, we must engrave these ideals in the innermost core of our hearts. His death is a controversy as for now nobody knows how he died. But it is believed that on 18th August 1945, he vanished into the thin air during a plane crash in Japan. He is a true hero as he addressed the nation for not losing our faith in the destiny of India. There is no power on earth which can keep India in bondage. India will be free, and that too soon. The things that he expressed so boldly came true. We as a nation pay tribute to such a hero who can never be erased from the depths of our souls. We salute with immense pride in our hearts to such a bestower of rare courage. By Shyam. Thank you for watching the video till the end. We hope you found it helpful. Kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for further updates. Also feel free to ask for any queries related to diary entry and give suggestions and appreciations in the comment box.